Hello, my name is VillainCloud and welcome. You've seen from the thumbnail what's up. The alt has left the chat. So yeah, what I'm gonna do to fix this, we're gonna change the keys for white ones. So we're gonna mod it and fix at the same time. From Corsair, this is a Corsair K60. I don't know if you can see it, but it's Corsair K60. I'm gonna put this on that. First, let's make some space. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. How I'll start doing this, I will use only the caps which I used the most, so which are brittle and would get off like this, break. So all of the gaming and editing I'm mostly using, so all the typos will be changed. Shift, delete, I don't use any Fs, escape 100%, this no. WASD is the most abused, space is abused, you can see it's a bit shiny from all the fingerprints. Here it's less shiny, all shiny. Now let's see how easy it is to change these caps. I never done this before. I never actually had an Cherry MX, so a swappable keyboard at all. So let's see how easy and how long it will take me. Now it's 6 o'clock. Let's see when I'm done with my modding, or actually fixing that what's broken. Let's go. this took me this much time. It will be written here how much time it took. Now let's some of you might be asking why you did it like this, like escape, you skip this, F12, these, and this. Why you skip them and put only these on? I changed all of which I use the most. Escape, everyone uses. All these are for games, typing, enter, shift. All this and this, what you mostly use. These are rarely used. So this is my keyboard setup. I will leave the link where I bought this on Amazon. There are so many colors that you can modify your keyboard how you want, in many colors as you want. This is how I'm going with. You can like it or not, it's up to you. For me, I like it, but the keys are a bit, these are shorter ones, these are taller ones. So you can see there is a little bit of a tallness. And it's easy for a beginner like me, or any beginner, because this was in like a split in half. All this was in one and it was all in line and numbered. You could actually just remove all of them. Then set 1, set 2 and set 3. There are 3 sets. You can put them by sets. So this kit is well placed. Only these symbols here look different than the old ones. And the F7 and F8 didn't have these. So it's a guessing game after you have the FN changed. Function key, that is how I did it. You like it or not, it's up to you, that's up to your taste. I changed what I'm mostly using, so no other keys break on me. The Alt left the chat, but now Alt is strong. And those rubber mounts just dampens down the after the ting, so you can hear. And this is like, I got it with a motherboard when I bought a motherboard. This tool is so nice to clean inside the keyboard. It was really useful. I don't know where you can get these, but you can see it's tab, pull out, it's a stiff brushes and soft brushes. Well, I hope this video was somehow informative, somehow useful, and you can decide if you want to modify your keyboard or not. It's pretty easy. You get used to it. Once you get used to it, that you put it like this, just pull it in and look. Done. Literally, and it holds onto the key, and you just push it out and it's done. And you put the new one. Perfect. That will be all. That's my keyboard modification. Now I'll put the wrist rest here, this here, and I'm back in the game. Back into editing and playing games. Hope the video helped, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like. See you.